Okay, it is January 7th. What time is it? It's about 1 a.m. or something like that. 12:30 a.m. So this looks like it has occurred 1 Jesus, about 10:18 a.m. the 6th. So that would be Saturday, 10 a.m. 2024. I believe it looks like the old man who has spent years defacing my truck and other cars. We're about to go down to the garage and see what's going on here. He lives on the other side of the Woodland Oaks, on the, we call it like the hotel side or whatever. Okay, I'm in the town, more the townhousey side. So let's go down the garage, see if he's done anything weird as well to my Corvette. Okay, so let's go see what is going on, what he's trying to do there. Now he is linked to the HOA and people on the HOA. So let's see what if he did anything. Anyways, let's go check here. Now he came here on the video and he comes up and he's trying to get in the trunk. And he's notorious for cramming things in holes and things like that, like Greg Koenig. He did not. However, he went for the trunk here. Who knows why? You know, these people. Okay. One of the OfferUp guys messaged me at 10:55 the other night, so that's another thing. And that guy's all the way down in they do things with times too, and it's all linked worldwide. That's in Rancho Cucamonga. Okay, so for something I was looking to buy on OfferUp, not even car related, computer related, but it doesn't matter because there's a worldwide sort of conspiracy to do things. Okay.